Okay guys, just before I leave for the day, I'm just gonna record this really short video on how to use this free citation manager. You can see on the screen here I have, I'm on the webpage of zotero.org, zotero.org. So I just want to do this quick thing so that I can help avoid seeing you guys do some manual citation work, which is going to take you too much time, whether it is you're preparing for the essays for this course or for another course. So you can see Zotero's, it's one I like because it's free and it's also cross-platform. So you can see it's available for Mac, Windows, and also Linux. So so you download that. I've already downloaded and installed that. The second thing you need, just to facilitate your adding things to the Zotero library, because what you'll find is that once you install Zotero, you'll have a library that you can manually add sources to, but obviously you don't want to do that. The easier way is to go to Google Scholar, find your source, and then to have it import to Zotero automatically, right? So you don't need to write all this stuff. So I've got this library already, but we can create a new one. It doesn't really matter. Anyway, the point is this is how you're going to add to it. What you want is the second thing. Zotero/download, you're going to be able to get Zotero Connector, which is going to be able to install like an add-on button to your, in my case, to Google Chrome. Okay, and I'll see why you kind of want to do that. You'll see why you want to do that. Okay, so in my case, I've already installed that, so you want to go ahead and do that. Okay, so now we're going to pretend we're writing a very intelligent essay. So I'm going to pull up my Word here, and you see that I've written some very intelligent statement called "The cat chased the dog," and I'm going to go find a reference for that. We're gonna try to reference this properly. Okay, so cat chased the dog. Okay, you see it's actually there, and I'm going to randomly find a reference so I can show you how to cite this. You can see I'm just going to click on this first one here, the language faculty brokers region of the mirror system. I'm going to click on it, and it's going to bring me to its actual publisher page. But what I want to show you is that what you can click from this page to automatically import it to Zotero is from that plugin you just installed, the Save to Zotero button. And once you click on that, it's automatically going to save the details there. Okay, so the author is here, Grodzinski. Okay, great. So you see that has disappeared, so it's actually saved to my library. And let's say I'm writing this fantastic essay for whatever reason, the cat chased the dog, so please don't put that statement on your essay. But now I want to go and cite this Grodzinski dude, okay? So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to go to my Zotero tab in Word, which will appear after you install the Zotero software. I'm going to click Add Citation. And what you can see is that, first of all, I'll ask you what format to cite it in. For convenience, I'm just going to leave it in APA. Okay. And then you see this little window here is where you're going to start typing the last name of that particular paper. I think it was like what was it again? Grodzinski. There we go. Grodzinski, the language faculty, whatever. So I can click on it, okay, and then press Enter. Okay. And you can see actually my manual quote. My manual bracket there can just go away. You see actually then that has added it to my statement. Okay, something, and then I'm just going to insert a bunch of stuff that I know I already have in my library just to save time. Okay, something, add citation. Actually, I'm going to go self-cite at this point. There we go, and then I'm going to give a second one. I don't know, what else did I write? 2013? 2014? Okay, so randomly I'm going to cite myself. Okay, now what's going to happen is, let's say I'm done my essay. Okay, what will happen is I'm going to add my bibliography, right? And you see now it automatically generates my reference list for me, right? So, okay, and so yeah, that's basically how you do it. And the good thing about it is, you know, if you don't really want this citation style, you can change it. It doesn't really matter. Document preferences, you can change it to, let's find nature. I think nature does like a numerical. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. So see the cat chased the dog. first citation, Grodzinski, something, 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 2 and 3, so then I self-cited there. Okay. So you want to be using something like this so that your document at document generation, when you're done your essay, your reference generation isn't so painful. Okay, so hopefully that helps. Yeah, good luck.